What's the meaning of blue baby? Blue baby. Blue baby.
Blue baby. Blue baby. The term blue baby is used to describe a newborn or young infant with cyanosis, which is a bluish discoloration of the skin, lips, and/or fingernails due to low oxygen levels in the blood. This condition can be caused by a number of factors, including heart defects, lung problems, or a lack of red blood cells. Cyanotic babies may have difficulty breathing, fatigue easily, and may experience developmental delays if left untreated. The term blue baby was coined in the 1940s when a surgical procedure called the Blalock-Taussig shunt was developed to treat congenital heart defects that caused cyanosis.